I have been wondering how I would have ever survived this lockdown if it weren't for sheet masks. For one, with no salons open, they were a complete lifesaver. And secondly, my skin would have been far more parched and dull without my weekly sheet masking ritual. Hi guys, I'm Shania and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about sheet masks and how they've transformed my beauty routine. But before we begin, if you're new to the BeBeautiful platform, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you can get notified every time we upload a new video. Sheet masks are thin sheet-like face-shaped masks that are soaked in nutritional serum that can target a variety of skin concerns and problems. They are supercharged masks that allow your skin to reap a ton of benefits in under 20 minutes. Originating from Japan and South Korea, these masks have gained a ton of popularity. And I'm pretty sure they're here to stay. These are perfect for spa nights or weekly pamper sessions at home. Sheet masks are great for a bunch of different reasons. Firstly, they are the quickest and most efficient way to hydrate the skin. As your skin absorbs the serum, it gets rid of dryness and dehydration, leaving your face feeling plump and glowing. Sheet masks are highly potent because they are drenched in vitamin and nutrient-rich serum. So when you apply them on your face, these ingredients penetrate deep into the skin, reviving dull skin. The next benefit is that it nourishes the skin from within. Sheet masks offer various benefits thanks to unique ingredients like aloe vera gel for soothing the skin, collagen for anti-aging, and fruit extracts for that glow. Sheet masking once a week ensures you take some time to pamper yourself and your skin. This can seriously help you relax. I use this while I Netflix and chill or read a book. Next, let's get into the ingredients in a sheet mask. With so many different masks and so many different claims, how exactly do you know which one's the best for you? Well, let me help you with that. If you have dull skin, that is, if your skin lacks radiance, appears lusterless, and looks tired, look for masks with ingredients like glycerin that will increase the skin hydration and fruit extracts that will brighten your skin and give you that glow. My favorite for dull skin days is this one, Lakme Blush and Glow Fruitalicious Sheet Masks. They have 5 variants in this, but I absolutely love the strawberry sheet mask. It gives me that fruity facial-like glow. If you have sensitive skin, then you are more prone to redness, rashes and itching. So you need to be extra careful when picking a sheet mask. Make sure it has no harsh chemicals or added perfume. I think this one, simple, kind to skin, rich moisture sheet mask fits the bill. If you have dry skin, your concerns are itchiness, irritation and flakiness. I recommend the St. Ives Revitalizing Acai Blueberry and Chia Seed Oil sheet mask to combat these issues. The acai and chia seed extract will provide instant hydration and revive tired skin. Lastly, if you have signs of aging, your concerns are fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. I would recommend Pond's Skin Firming Serum Mask with collagen, hyaluronic acid and brown algae extract. This sheet mask works best against premature signs of aging. The hyaluronic acid in it promotes youthful skin and the brown algae aids in skin's natural collagen production. Lastly, in order to get the best results from the sheet mask experience, I'm going to show you how to use the sheet mask correctly. You may feel applying a sheet mask is pretty straightforward. You open the package, unfold the mask and apply it to your face. But that's not it. It's important to prep your skin first to reap maximum benefits. Step 1. Begin with a perfectly clean canvas. Make sure to remove any makeup and cleanse the face thoroughly. I generally like to put my mask in the refrigerator for a cool, relaxing experience, especially in summers. This is totally optional, but I highly recommend doing this. Step 2. Now remove the sheet mask from the pouch and gently unfold. Step 3. Carefully place over the eye area first and then smoothen out across the rest of the face. Use the cutouts as a guide to place it on the nose and eyes. Apply the excess serum left in the pack on the neck. Step 4. Gently remove the mask after 15 to 20 minutes and dispose. Now most of us tend to forget that even after using the sheet mask, there is ample of serum solution that remains in the packet. Don't waste it. Apply the remaining serum onto the face and then go in with a facial massaging tool. This will help the product seep in deeper. At the same time, the massaging strokes will boost blood circulation. Now, if you never heard of a jade roller, then I'm going to link a video on how to use a jade roller in the description box below. Go check that out. Lastly, don't wipe the excess serum off and never wash your face after sheet masking. Give the serum enough time to absorb into the skin. I for one can say that using a sheet mask has changed my skin for good. My skin looks much more radiant and plumper. I follow a 1 mask per week rule and you should too. I hope you guys like this video. You are just one step away from instant hydration and radiant glow. So make sure you include a sheet mask in your weekend skincare routine. Before you go, like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful. Also hit that bell icon so you can stay notified every time we upload a new video.